Hello, Badger Nation. My name's Angie. They call me Mama Badger, and I am one of the founders of SupportBikers.com. I'm going to show you how you can pin yourself on the map. This map is interactive, so you can move it around. Doesn't matter where you're at in the world, you can pin yourself on the map. Please note, when you scroll down, it is going to tell you that only 150 of the most recent biker listings will show up on the map above. Don't worry, keep scrolling, and you can put in your name or whatever region, category, and hit the search button, and you'll be able to find yourself on the map there. All right, let's get started. To get on the map, you're just going to go to the top right-hand corner on a desktop. If you're on a mobile device, just find where it says Get on the Map. Once you click on that, it's going to pull up a form that you need to fill out. All right, first thing it's going to do is ask you to sign in. If you've already created a listing, make sure and sign in to make those changes. If you want to make changes in the future, then you do need to create a username and provide your email address so that you can make those changes later. First you're going to do is choose a listing. So are you a biker and you just want to pin yourself on the map, or do you own a business, a motovlogger, or some sort of a resource? You choose which one you are. I'm going to go ahead and choose I am a biker. Here it's going to ask for different things pertaining to you as an individual. The asterisks mean that you do need to fill that information out. When it comes to the first and last name, that's for us to be able to contact if we have questions. But the public title is what others are going to see on the website. So is that your first name, your first and last name? Is that your road name? You decide. As far as location goes, if you would like to tell us what city you are in, you can type that out here. We don't need to know your physical address unless, of course, you're a business and you want people to come to your location. The region is required. It's a drop-down box. You're going to choose what state or what country you reside in. If you do not see where you're at as a choice, don't worry. Let us know. We'll be happy to add that particular area to the form. Categories. So if you're a biker, you're going to choose biker. Biker owned only means that you're a biker owned business or a biker resource. Logo, that's the tiny little picture that they see on your listing. The cover image is the big photo that's across the top. And the gallery images, you can add a few of those. I think it's 7 little images in there. As for your description, tell us about yourself, who you are, where you're at, what interests you. We've prompted you to say, what do you ride? How long have you been riding? The more information you give, the cooler it is for us to see. All right, you're going to hit the submit button and then get a prompt. So the prompt's going to tell you that your listing has been submitted and it's going to be up for approval. We do this because we want to make sure that all listings look good, pictures look good, things are spelled right, just to make sure the site overall looks really good. Once we approve your listing, we will send you an email letting you know that the listing's approved and for you to go in and make any changes that you want to. Not a problem. Just log in and do that. Okay, so feel free to browse the website, click on any of the menus above. You're not going to break anything, I promise. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you.